So in today's video, I want to teach you guys how I compost, and better yet, how I compost as fast as I've come across so far. So down here, I've got my compost bin, which I built last summer. And right now, so as of right now, I have some compost going on. So this bin here is the bigger chunks, so it's any compost pieces, any organic material that's starting out. So I try to break it as small as possible, and I throw it in here and just let it do its thing. And around 6 months, I'd say, this compost is then transferred over here. And what I do is I blend it up. So I take all the chunks or half decomposed material, it's easier to break down, and then I throw it into here. And in here, it takes about 3 weeks for it to decompose fully, which I then can use in my raised garden bed or my planters over here. So pretty much the fastest process, which you will need 2 spots for your compost, and preferably probably together, I'd assume, or close to the garden. Take bigger chunks. This is the starting point. So any kitchen scraps, any organic material, you want a 30-to-1 carbon to nitrogen ratio. That just speeds up the decomposition process, heats up the pile, all the good stuff. So the bigger chunks go here, and then 6 months later, take them in here, grind them up in a blender, throw it in here, and then 3 weeks later, it can be put into the garden to feed the plants. This year I've fed my tomato plants, cucumbers, anything that's fruiting. It's always good to add more compost, so I put it into the raised garden bed on top, and then I've even put it over top of my mulch here, and it'll sink as it waters. The nutrients will go back into the soil. Look at the plants, they're vouching for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.